Welcome to Vegetarian Home Style Cooking. Today I'm going to share how to cook potatoes in Instant Pot. We are not cooking potatoes in water. And a protein snack with cooked potatoes. You can serve it as after school snack or for breakfast, and you can even pack for lunch box with ketchup or salsa. Pour water in the inner pot, place trivet, and place potatoes on top of the trivet. So if it is big potatoes, manual 7 minutes, medium potatoes 5 minutes, and small potatoes 3 minutes. Close lid. Then NPR. Here I am checking the potatoes. If they are not cooked, keep 2 more minutes. In case of big potatoes, you may need more time. So here I am sharing the protein snack. In a bowl, take 1 measuring cup chickpea flour and add 3 spoons rice flour or APF flour if you want the snack to be crispy, or if you want the snack to be soft, add 3 spoons wheat flour. Then curry powder, that is red chili, coriander, cumin powder with garlic. Then 1 measuring cup water. The batter has to be thick because it has to coat the sliced potatoes. You can season the sliced potatoes with some curry powder. Grease the frying pan with oil and place the coated potatoes on the pan. You can even air fry them, and no need to close the lid because the potatoes are already cooked. Flip the potatoes. So it takes only less than 5 minutes to prepare this snack. Serve with ketchup or salsa, and it's going to be kids' favorite snack. Like, share, subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching my video.